Many people spend their lives searching for the elusive door to success, believing it is hidden somewhere outside themselves. They look for opportunities, connections, or secrets that promise to unlock their potential. Yet, the real threshold to achievement is not external but internal. True breakthroughs begin when we recognize that the key lies within our own mindset, choices, and perseverance. By turning inward and understanding our strengths and limitations, we discover that the door to success has always been within our reach. This realization marks the first step toward genuine progress and fulfillment. True success begins within. It's not the external opportunities that determine our achievements, but rather the way we perceive ourselves and our sense of worthiness. Our self image acts as a gateway, influencing the goals we pursue and the risks we're willing to take. When we believe we deserve success, we naturally seek out and recognize opportunities that align with our aspirations. Conversely, doubts about our value can cause us to overlook or shy away from possibilities. By nurturing a positive self-image and embracing our inherent worth, we unlock the internal door that leads to lasting success. Within each of us, there exists an inner narrative, a collection of stories, fears, and beliefs that shape our perception of what is possible. Often, these recurring thoughts act like a lock on the door to success, quietly influencing our decisions and actions. Limiting beliefs built up over time can convince us that certain goals are unattainable or that we are not deserving of achievement. These mental barriers may stem from past experiences, societal expectations, or repeated self-doubt. By recognizing how these narratives function, we begin to understand the invisible forces that hold us back. Awareness is the first step toward unlocking the door and moving beyond the boundaries set by our own minds. Many people believe that the key to success lies in external achievements, such as wealth, status, or recognition. However, this perspective overlooks an essential truth. True success begins within. While accomplishments can open doors, they are not enough on their own. Without inner alignment, clarity of purpose, self-awareness, and personal values, external rewards often feel empty or unsatisfying. It is the harmony between our inner world and our outward actions that truly unlocks lasting fulfillment. By focusing on personal growth and authenticity, we create a foundation upon which meaningful success can flourish. Fear often acts as a powerful barrier, keeping us rooted in familiar routines and preventing us from embracing change. It can manifest as hesitation, anxiety, or even denial, all designed to shield us from the uncertainty that comes with new experiences. Yet, true courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to confront it head-on. By turning the key within ourselves, we unlock the potential to step into the unknown. This inner shift allows us to move beyond our comfort zones, opening doors to growth and transformation. Facing the unknown becomes an act of bravery, revealing strengths we may not have realized we possessed. Daily spiritual practices like reflection, meditation, and journaling play a vital role in personal growth. By dedicating time each day to these activities, individuals create space for self-awareness and inner peace. Reflection allows us to examine our thoughts and experiences, while meditation helps calm the mind and foster clarity. Journaling provides an outlet for expressing emotions and tracking progress over time. Together, these practices gradually unlock new levels of understanding and fulfillment. Consistency in these routines can gently open the door to deeper spiritual insight and well-being. Beyond the door lies a spiritual territory where success is not measured solely by achievements, but by the profound growth and transformation that accompany each step forward. In this realm, every accomplishment is intertwined with personal evolution, guiding individuals toward a deeper sense of purpose. Here, challenges become opportunities for self-discovery, and fulfillment is found in the journey as much as the destination. The landscape is rich with meaning, inviting those who enter to align their ambitions with their values. This space nurtures both the spirit and the mind, fostering a sense of connection to something greater than oneself. When we unlock one door in our lives, it often leads to the discovery of many others. These doors are rarely isolated. Instead, they are deeply interconnected, revealing new opportunities and challenges in areas such as service, relationships, and spiritual calling. As we step through one threshold, We may find ourselves drawn into new roles that require us to serve others or deepen our connections with those around us. Sometimes this journey also brings us closer to understanding our greater purpose or spiritual path. Each door we open can illuminate hidden links between the different aspects of our lives, encouraging growth and transformation on multiple levels. The true key to unlocking the door lies within ourselves. It is shaped by our personal experiences, the lessons we learn along the way, and the deep longing we feel inside. Self-knowledge is not something that can be handed to us. It must be discovered through reflection and growth. Each challenge we face and every moment of introspection adds to our understanding of who we are. As we gather these insights, we forge a unique key that opens new possibilities. Ultimately, it is this journey inward that empowers us to move forward and embrace what lies beyond. It's important to recognize that the key we start with on our spiritual journey may not be perfect. In the beginning, our understanding and practices might feel rough or incomplete. However, as we grow and develop discipline, this key becomes more refined. Through ongoing spiritual growth, we gradually shape a better fit for the challenges and mysteries we encounter. Over time, patience and dedication help us unlock deeper meaning and fulfillment. The process itself is a vital part of the journey, teaching us resilience and adaptability. In life, it's essential to understand that not every opportunity or path is meant for you. Sometimes doors remain closed because they simply do not align with who you are or what you truly need. Recognizing this can help you avoid unnecessary frustration and disappointment. Instead, focus on seeking out the paths and opportunities that resonate with your unique identity, values, and aspirations. By doing so, you allow yourself to grow authentically and find fulfillment in pursuits that genuinely reflect your true self. Embracing this mindset leads to a more meaningful and satisfying journey. Forgiveness can act as a powerful tool for personal transformation, helping to unlock emotional barriers that may have formed from past regrets. By consciously choosing to let go of old grievances, we create space for healing and renewal. This process not only eases the weight of unresolved feelings, but also encourages a more open and responsive mindset. As we recondition our internal lock through forgiveness, we become better equipped to embrace new experiences and relationships. The act of forgiving is not about forgetting, but rather about freeing ourselves from the constraints of lingering negativity. In doing so, we pave the way for genuine growth and a deeper sense of well-being. Attention, when cultivated as a spiritual practice, becomes a powerful tool for personal transformation. By focusing consciousness inward, we begin to recognize the metaphorical door, lock, and key within ourselves. The door represents the threshold to deeper awareness, while the lock symbolizes the barriers or patterns that keep us from accessing our true potential. Through mindful attention, we discover the key, often found in self-reflection, acceptance, or intentional change, that can unlock these barriers. This process encourages us to move beyond surface distractions and engage with the core of our being. As we refine our ability to direct attention, we open pathways to growth, healing, and a more profound sense of connection with ourselves. True success and lasting inner peace are deeply rooted in spiritual alignment rather than in external accomplishments. While achievements and recognition can bring temporary satisfaction, they often fail to provide enduring fulfillment. By prioritizing our spiritual well-being, we cultivate a sense of purpose and clarity that guides our actions and decisions. This inner foundation helps us navigate challenges with resilience and grace. When our values and beliefs are in harmony, we experience a profound sense of contentment that external rewards cannot replicate. Ultimately, nurturing our spiritual alignment empowers us to sustain genuine success and peace, regardless of changing circumstances. Leadership often begins with a personal journey, unlocking the door within ourselves. By embracing our true values and strengths, we become more authentic in our actions and interactions. This authenticity enables us to serve others with genuine intent, fostering trust and respect. When we lead from a place of integrity, our guidance becomes a beacon for those around us. Others are inspired not just by our words, but by the consistency between what we say and what we do. In this way, leadership is less about authority and more about empowering others through example and honest connection. As we reach the end of our journey, take a moment to reflect on what transformation means to you. Imagine a door standing before you, unique, personal, and full of possibility. Picture the key in your hand representing your choices and intentions. What lies beyond that door is shaped by your willingness to embrace change. Consider what steps you might take to unlock new opportunities in your life. The path to transformation begins with a single intentional decision, one that only you can make.